Um, Ever feel like you're acting all day long? There is one version of you at school, and another version at home, and a totally different one on Instagram? Well, sociologist Erving Goffman thought that life is a stage, and we're all actors in it. This is the dramaturgical approach in sociology, and it'll make you see everyday life in a whole new way. Interested to hear more? Well, stick around. Goffman, in his book The Presentation of Self in Everyday Life, 1956, said that social life is like theater. We perform roles depending on the social setting, our audience, and our goals. This is called impression management. Just like actors, we prepare our lines, dress for the scene, and control how we're perceived. Let's take a closer look at impression management, shall we? Impression management is the process by which individuals attempt to control the impressions others form of them in social situations. Goffman believed that, just like actors on a stage, we all manage our behavior, appearance, and expressions to influence how others see us. So why do we manage impressions? Well, because social interaction is strategic. We want to accomplish things like be liked, be respected, avoid embarrassment, and achieve certain goals like getting a job, making friends, or gaining followers. Impression management isn't always manipulative. It's often about self-protection and social harmony. Let me give an example. You may have pretended to understand a joke in a group to avoid looking clueless. Not because you want to deceive, but because you want to fit in. That's impression management. Goffman splits our social world into two areas. 1, front stage, where we perform for others. 2, back stage, where we drop the act. Here's an example. A waiter at a restaurant puts on a cheerful front for his customers, but in the kitchen, he vents and relaxes. That's the backstage. As per Goffman, we switch constantly, like students who act respectful in class, but casual with friends. Let's get to real-life examples. Example 1, in job interviews. Front stage, you wear formal clothes, sit straight, and speak politely. Backstage, you Google how to answer interview questions in pajamas. Example 2, with social media. Front stage, filtered selfies, curated posts, and aesthetic meals. Backstage, instant noodles, messy room, and existential crisis. No actor performs alone. Goffman says we often work in teams to manage impressions. We also use props like clothes, phones, certificates, or anything to support our act. Props help others believe our role, even if we're unsure ourselves. Goffman's theory shows how identity is performed, not fixed. It helps us understand a few things like 1, why we feel fake sometimes. 2, how social norms control behavior. 3, why we act differently in different contexts. It's not about being deceptive. It's about navigating complex social scripts. So next time you feel like you're acting in life, you're not wrong. According to Goffman, we're all actors, and society is our stage. Do you enjoy my videos or learn something new from them? Then follow me and subscribe for more sociology made simple Doodle style. And share with like-minded, curious people. It would really help me reach a wider audience and make better videos. If you'd like me to cover anything specific next time, then please leave a comment and let me also know. Do you agree with Goffman? See you next time.